ক্লাস 6 ইংলিশ ফার্স্ট পেপার গুরুত্বপূর্ণ একটি স্টোরি ডিভোশন টু মাদার শুরু করছি। ওয়ান্স দেয়ার ওয়াজ এ স্মল বয় নেমড বায়েজিদ। Bayezid was a small boy. His mother was ill. One night he was studying by the side of the bed of his ailing mother. Suddenly his mother woke up. Then Bayezid's mother told him to give her a glass of water. Then Bayezid went to the kitchen to bring water. But the pitcher was empty. He thought to fetch water from a distant fountain. He went alone to the fountain with the pitcher. He came back home with the pitcher full of water. In the meantime, his mother was fast asleep again. He did not want to disturb his ailing mother, so he remained standing beside his mother's bed. Bayezid's mother woke up in the morning. She became astonished to see her son standing with the glass full of water beside her bed. She embraced her son with deep love and prayed to Allah for her son. In Bayezid's later life, he became a great saint. প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, তোমরা এটা একটি খাতায় সুন্দর করে নোট করে নেবে, তারপর শেখার এবং না দেখে লেখার চেষ্টা করবে। ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে।